This conference will now be recorded.
Hello. In the meantime, can you introduce yourself before we start? Hello. Ganesh, Maulika, Sarita, Vinay, Mahesh.
Yeah. Hi.
Can you introduce about one by one? Yeah.
Yeah. I'm Malika. I'm doing my master's here in USA. So
Okay.
I was interested in data engineering. I have experience in SQL, so
Yeah.
I'm
Okay.
just looking for the training. Yeah, that's it from my end.
Yeah. Okay.
Hi, sir.
Any other? Yeah. Yeah. Mahesh.
Yeah, this is Mahesh from New Hampshire in USA. Currently, I'm pursuing computer information systems masters.
Okay.
To be honest, I don't have any knowledge regarding the data engineering. Uh,
Okay.
so, in order to enhance my skills, I have joined the session, sir.
Okay. Fine. Other people?
Hi, sir. My name is
Hello.
Ganesh.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I'm working as a Oracle Apps DBA.
Okay.
I've been working in this IT industry from past 10 years, and I worked on different technologies like Oracle Database, Oracle WebLogic, and Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. And
Okay.
currently, I'm looking for Azure technologies like data engineering and big data Hadoop to convert into data engineer career.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Ganesh. Okay then. Any other people left out?
Hello, I'm Sarita. I'm
Okay.
working in Wells Fargo right now as a Scrum Master. So I wanted to enhance my skills. So I've joined this training.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Fine. Okay. Let's start. Yeah. Let's start then. Okay, fine. Or shall we wait for 1-2 minutes? Like I think people who are joining. Yeah, guys. Yeah, let's start it. Yeah. Okay. I'm audible, right, to everyone? Yeah. Hello. Can someone respond, please?
Yes, yes, you are audible.
Yeah,
Yes,
fine.
sir.
Okay, fine. Yeah. So yeah, as we know, we are going to learn Azure data engineering. Okay. So yeah. So anybody have any basic idea about what is data engineering? Before I start the session, can someone?
To be honest, no, sir. Actually, I
Okay.
would like to start from scratch.
Okay. Okay. So okay, then I will start from scratch. So okay, fine. So yeah, First of all, what we gonna learn in this course, sir? First question, sir. We'll be learning about Azure Data Engineering, sir. So first, what is Azure, sir? Azure is an cloud computing platform, sir. Okay. I'm starting from scratch. If someone has any doubts, please stop me. Don't feel free to stop me for any doubts. Okay. Okay, sir. What is Azure, sir? Azure, as I said, it's a cloud computing platform, sir. What are the work we used to do in your on-premise or from your systems within your office, keeping your infrastructure physically? Now everything will be migrating to cloud, sir. Okay. Hello. Any doubts, sir, till now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, right? Yeah. Because I need response, guys, please.
Sir, sorry to interrupt you, sir. Do we need any prerequisite knowledge such as Python or SQL in order
If
to
if you
enhance the
if you
skills in
know
data engineering, sir?
if you learn if you learn Python or SQL, it's good for you. But prerequisite is like basics of SQL, where you can learn from W3 school. So okay,
You will not teach Python here, the basics of Python?
I will teach basics of Python and PySpark and SQL basics as well.
Sure.
But if you learn before means it will be advantage for you instead of when I'm teaching learning you. Because I could not guarantee like one person can grab in one session, one person takes some sessions, right? If you are if you practice it from till today when we start, it's advantage for you. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir. So,
Okay. Yeah.
this curriculum, do we have any like fundamentals regarding the Python and SQL along with the Spark tool?
Yeah. Along with the Spark, PySpark, before taking going to PySpark, once we complete Data Factory, I'll be taking 3 sessions of Python. So what are required
Okay,
for you? Okay. Not complete Python, but what are required for data engineering?
okay, sir. And how about the DevOps, sir? Do we need any DevOps knowledge?
No need actually. As a data engineer, you don't need any DevOps for now. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But I will be showing and DevOps like how we will be migrating from one environment to environment. But, you don't be any like pro in DevOps like as a data engineer, okay? Because you will have your DevOps teams in your companies. Because it's
Yes,
itself
sir.
is a separate course, so you don't need like in this stage you don't need like any DevOps.
Okay, sir. And uh, the last question is, so we are going to pursue the knowledge in Azure cloud. So, will it be useful in another cloud platform such as GCP or
Databricks
AWS?
is same. Databricks is same everywhere, sir. What are the Databricks UI is same everywhere, sir. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So, but Azure like the tool ADF is now hot skill in market, sir. Because the ADF AWS has their own tools, but compared to Azure tools, those are not hot skills now because ease of use and due to that everyone is preferring ADF, sir. So it can be AWS cloud also. In every company is preferring ADF, sir, now.
The
Also the
biggest market.
Databricks, yeah, the
Yeah.
Databricks is the Databricks what the you have where everything will be same, sir. If you take
Yes,
your
sir.
Google Cloud, your AWS or your Azure, same UI, same queries. Just here ADF you are using, there they have their own tools, but the same code, everything is same. No change.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Any questions, sir? Any questions? Excuse me. Any more questions? Yeah, we started with Azure, right, sir? So as you said, sir, in market there are 3 to 4 clouds. Am I correct?
Sir,
So you
yeah,
have your Azure. You
50%
have your
market
Azure.
comprises of Microsoft Azure and the remaining with AWS and the Google Cloud platform.
Yeah, Google Cloud and Salesforce. Don't forget, okay? You have other cloud as well, Salesforce, okay? So you have 3 to 4 clouds, sir, in market. So next thing, sir, you have other clouds from Oracle Cloud is there and IBM is there, so were there, but the popular clouds I'm talking about, sir. Azure, AWS, and GCP today market, okay? So As I said, what are the infrastructure first, sir? Why cloud? Why into cloud computing, sir? What are the infrastructure we are taking, sir? Everything will be now migrating to cloud, sir, because they are lessening their cost, maintenance cost. First point, sir. Second point, easy to use, sir. Cloud gives you flexibility to work from anywhere. Okay. Three
Yes.
main reasons. Three
Somebody,
main reasons.
there is a background. Can you mute?
Let me mute.
See from
Then some.
Maulika Gajwali, there is a noise, background noise.
Let me mute from my side if I can.
इथे बाबा नचకపోతే
Yeah, muted. Yeah, fine. Okay, sir. We are talking about Azure, sir. No. So cloud offers three services, sir. One is infrastructure as a service, one is platform as a service, software as a service. So what you people gonna learn, sir? You gonna learn few things of infrastructure as a service. As a data engineer, you require that, sir, and platform as a service, sir. We are using those services to build our application. Am I correct? That is the one thing, sir. Second thing, sir. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello. So why now these data engineering, sir? Before the data engineering is there from past 10 years, sir. But now why this word, the term coined into the world? Earlier you have your on-prem tools. What are the work you are doing? The same work you will be doing in the cloud. You have an from Microsoft. You have an SSIS. So MSBA we call it as earlier. You have your Google integration tools, and you have your Oracle integration tools. You have Informatica. You have Pentaho. Talent, the same tools, sir. What are we done? Now we are going to learn the same tools on-prem. What is the difference between these tools now, and why the data engineering came into picture? Why it came into the picture means streaming, sir. Nowadays streaming data. Everyone is aware about streaming data, right? Live
Yeah,
data.
yes, sir. Yeah, yeah.
So all these tools can only achieve up to our batch data or something, and only for this some medium amount of data, sir. But when you go to your complex, like if you have a huge amount of data, big data, let's keep in a precise word, sir. Big data. When it came into the big data, sir, these tools were failed to achieve that all the things what people need to work. So these new tools with the name of data engineering came into market. Okay. Any doubts here? So
Yeah,
what are
that's
the
what.
work you can do
Actually,
with
I have
on-prem?
same doubt from from starting onwards. What is the
Yeah.
difference between big data and data engineering? So
Yeah, the tools, sir. What are the tools you are using in data engineering in the cloud? Okay, big
it,
data. You have your MapReduce, Scoop, Hive earlier. Am I correct?
yes, yes,
What are you don't know? They used to achieve some targets. What we in the like whatever you are intended to do with your application, they used to achieve to some extent. When data become vast, those tools are not sustainable in market now to use it. Okay, so people need some other tools to achieve the modern day requirements. So new tools with a new word, data engineering, came into market. That's it.
okay.
You can do the
So
same thing, same work in one second, sir. Let me complete. You can do
okay,
the same work in 10 days, sir, with those tools. But my timeline is 3 days to complete. So what should I do? I need a specific tool, right? The same work. I need to complete it faster. Hello?
yeah, yeah, got it, sir.
So that's it, okay? Any doubts? So this is the why data engineering came into the picture. And the second question, sir. And why data engineers hard scale? Every company now focusing on data science. Am I correct? Market analysis, predictive analysis. Hello?
Yeah,
So every company, I think someone said Scrum Master, you people are available more like has visibility on this, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Someone said like Scrum Master, right? So you
Right.
as a Scrum Master, you know, right? Now everyone needs an analysis, business analysis. Whatever they know, they need to analyze their business. Am I correct? Finally. what are the product they launch, what are the things they do with their business, they need some inputs and outputs, so to enhance their business. Am I correct? So for that, who are taking care of these days, sir? Data scientist. Am I correct? But the data scientist needs this data. Who will be supplying this great data for them to run something? You people, sir, data engineers. Simple. Hello? Any doubts?
Yes.
You are responsible, sir. A data scientist will only run those algorithms, sir, but you are the people who is responsible to provide the necessary data and everything for the business, for business analysis, sir. So data engineers, no hard scale, because everything is a business in software. Every company does their business, and they need to know about their growth and everything. Am I correct? So you are the people, sir. Next thing, for each data engineer, sir, when coming to market, sir, for each data scientist, sir, as per some Gartner analysis or something, you need minimum data engineers required, sir, five people, sir, based on the projects. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello. So
We are
based
here.
on the products,
Yeah.
based on the project, minimum 5 people, sir, as per market analysis for each organization, data engineer. Okay. So if there is a one project, sir, no, nowadays they need minimum 5 data engineers, sir. But in market there are only 2 to 3, sir. Remaining 2 are free, sir, as a minimum. Okay. You can Google it. These things. What is the market of data engineering? Okay. It can be any cloud. Either it can be GCP or it can be your Azure or it can be your AWS. For next 5 years, sir, this is not for 1 year. Okay. Coming next 5 years, and this may increase once whenever every my application migrate into cloud.
Mm.
So got it on your job market? Any doubts?
Sir, I have a question here.
Yeah. Okay.
When we learn big data,
Okay.
so it is limited to only on-premise environments.
No. Big
Um,
data tools can be used in cloud, but they are not going to achieve what are the things now that these cloud tools are doing. You can
okay.
achieve it the same, sir. That's what I said. My first point. It takes 10 days or 15 days, but I want my work to
Mhm.
be completed in 5 days.
Okay.
So who will give you the billing, sir, for remaining 10 days? The client says I need it to complete in 5 days.
So
Okay.
when we learn data engineering, so the same tools will be used also in
No,
on-premise
sir.
environment. So
No, the same tools you can use in on-premise as well, sir.
yeah, that's what. Yeah. Okay, fine.
Okay, fine, right?
Yeah.
If you learn big data, it's advantage for you, sir, more. So like there is no prerequisite. Like if you know SQL, if you know Python, you are a data engineer, sir. If you learn these
Okay.
tools and everything. Okay. So there is no
Okay.
like I that specifically need big data only. So if you know Kafka for streaming, so if you go with Azure, there is Event Hub, sir. We have stream sets from Google, sir. If you know this,
Mhm.
this will be in your big data, right?
Okay.
Stream sets from Google. If you know this, you get more market, sir. Like to say.
Yeah.
So
So
there is no
you're telling
prerequisite like I need to be a big data engineer, sir. Here as a data engineer. You do not need to be a big data engineer, sir. So I need to learn this scoop or something or like okay.
so the data engineer tools will be almost same for all the clouds. Some tools will be
No.
common for all the
Everyone has their own flavor, sir. Databricks is
Mhm.
same, sir.
Databricks. Okay.
Databricks everywhere. UI is same. The code is same. Same PySpark or same Python. But the loading, the application from where you take the data, those different in AWS you have AWS Glue. In a Azure you have Data Factory. A GCP, I guess something is there. Okay.
Okay.
So everything the data frame what you create, everything is same. Finally, the transformation what you do.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, sir. Please continue.
Okay. Okay. So coming to job markets next. Next, what do we gonna learn, sir? Hello.
Yes, sir.
You people, what do you gonna learn? Give me 1 second, okay? And let me share my screen. Okay, hello. You people able to see my screen, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir, we are able to see.
Okay, fine. So what we gonna learn, sir, as a data engineer first? Okay, first point, sir. First, I'll leave teaching like you people. Few people ask, I don't know anything basics, right? Account creations in cloud, sir. Okay, first point, sir. Azure, and this comes like basics of Azure, sir. Few basics which is necessary. Okay, to shift to into a cloud. Okay, sir. Any doubts? Next, sir. Once I complete this, sir. So I follow like Microsoft certification pattern, sir. DP203. Our certification is DP203, sir. What Microsoft data engineer, Azure data engineer to say. Okay. So I go with storage account, sir. Next. Okay, fine. Any doubts, sir? I go with storage accounts. What are storage accounts, sir? It can be your relational storage. It will be your relational and non-relational as well, sir. Fine. Hello. Any doubts, sir? So relational, what is Rina gonna talk there? What is relational? What are non-relational? What are the storages given by Microsoft? So what are your storages you can use to store your data, sir? Okay. Any doubts? Hello. Can someone respond, please?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
we're good.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes,
Fine.
sir.
Right.
You can continue, sir. I mean, you don't need
Okay.
to
Okay.
wait for our
No.
response.
No. No. I guess like if your people are getting my voice or not. So
Yeah,
okay.
we
Fine.
are. We are. Yeah.
Okay.
We are
Next storage account, sir.
okay.
Next, what we gonna use, sir? We learn a tool here next after storage account. So in basics, I will be covering, as I said, I will covering about some things what you people are expecting in interviews, sir. In basics, okay. And next thing, sir. One storage accounts are completed, sir. Next, I go with the tool ADF, sir. Azure Data Factory. Okay. This we gonna discuss, sir. Once Azure Data Factory completed, sir. Next, Databricks, sir. Azure Databricks. Okay. Next, we gonna discuss our dedicated SQL pool, sir. Synapse Data Warehouse, sir. Itself. Okay. DW. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So
Yeah.
this. So I gonna discuss this, sir. Next, apart from this, other Azure services, sir. What is another? What is required? One is Logic Apps, sir. Other is Key Vault, sir. Okay. Next, I go with Azure DevOps. Okay. How to move from one environment to other. Okay.
Okay.
This is your this is the expectation from your market, sir. What do you know? And apart from and going to Databricks, sir. Before Data Factory, one session I will take SQL, sir. Basics. Okay. DDLs or DMLs. Okay. Before going to your Databricks, sir. I take Python, sir. Basics of Python. Okay.
Okay.
Basics of Python, sir. PySpark you will be discussing, but you need to know something basics of Python before learning PySpark. Okay. Then SQL pool. These things I want to teach you. And coming to our project, sir. Project. Okay. I will explain your project, sir. Okay. One project, sir. How it's your work in your market. Hello.
Sir, here about the project, you are going to explain the project how it will be, or you are going to involve us in the project.
If you want to involve, sir, like if you want to start it from day one, whatever I say, I will be saying in the form of project only. But if I want to show it, all these things, it's cloud billing, right?
Yeah.
Or else
Yeah.
you bring your account from day one. All the people create your accounts. Start working from today or tomorrow. Everything will be in the as per certification project only. So I won't say like this is the thing separately, like so everything what you will be using in the project, the same thing I will be teaching you here. What are you doing in your real time? So there is no like something, but I will teach like what are the documents you people gonna provide in your company when you join a company. So what are the things they gonna ask you about your project and everything? Those things I will be explaining. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So from day
Sir,
one it will be in the project only. Yeah.
do we have to install any softwares in our personal laptops to practice or something? Because I do not have access to it.
No. Yeah, I'm coming to that. Okay. Still I have not
Okay,
went to there. I have discussed. So what are the
thank you.
requirements I will say you. Okay. Fine, sir. This is your price. So if you people, like I guess 10 people were there, if you start creating your account from today or tomorrow, okay. So I will get teach him. My explanation will be in the project wise only, sir. Like not like teaching other things. Just not basics like thing. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So you can create your pipelines. I will be giving everyday assignments. Okay. Practice those things. Okay. Next, sir. Next question, sir. Now coming to softwares, what you need? What are the things to work on your data engineering? First, Azure account. Azure account, sir. Okay. So how to create your Azure account, I will be teaching you. Don't worry. Second thing, sir. For on-premise, SQL Server or Oracle. So if someone said DB, if you know installing of Oracle, you can go with your Oracle, sir. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. But people refer SQL Server, sir. Okay. And if someone are front-end developers or some people, if people are there any developers, either .NET, Java, if you know Web API, you can get data from Web API as well. Okay. But on-premise, as I said, SQL Server or Oracle mandatory. And we work with Excel, sir. CSV and Excel data, sir. CSV and Excel. For now, okay. And you need to install two tools, sir, like Storage Explorer. Azure Storage Explorer, I will show you how to install that. Don't worry. Explorer, sir. Okay. Any doubts? Hello.
No, sir.
Any doubts? So these are the prerequisites, sir, for you. So if you people are like SSIS developers or something, MSBA, you can install your Visual Studio. Visual Studio Code or Visual Studio, sir. Code or yes. Okay. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. So this we gonna learn, sir. Apart from that, interview questions every like whatever topic I say, I will say the interview questions. Okay.
Okay.
For people who are trying to switch the job. Okay. So what they are going to ask you. Okay. Any doubts? Still. Does everyone got the content?
Yeah. Yeah.
Or else should I ask them to share once again? Hello.
What is that? Can you repeat it, please?
And everyone, I'm asking like everyone got the content of the training.
Yes. You mean
Or should I
syllabus?
ask syllabus? Yeah. content.
Yeah, we got
If
that.
someone
Yeah.
hasn't received it, I'll ask to reshare it.
Can you please ask me to ask them to send it to me? Sarita here.
Yeah, okay, I'll ask them. Okay. So these are the things we're gonna discuss in data engineering, sir. And next thing, sir. Next, this is our the curriculum, sir. So any doubts in this? I'll wait for 5 minutes.
Here in our syllabus, like they have mentioned the Spark and basics of big data, Spark
So
structured
here that
API.
those will be like structured API, sir. I guess what you got it. I don't know. Let me check once. Okay.
Databricks optimization
Databricks
techniques.
here. That's it. Yeah. Big data means basics, sir. Like as I said, Python big database 3 days. I said right. Those basics like basic overview. What is big data? Why this? Then why you are using this Databricks? Okay.
Okay.
Basics of big data means okay. Databricks, sir. Azure Databricks. That's what I'm saying. I will be teaching you Azure Databricks. Okay.
Okay.
In here only you will like Spark SQL. That's what I'm saying. Spark SQL. But I will be teaching PySpark, sir. Because SQL means people are asking nowadays PySpark only. If you are good at SQL, you can the same thing, sir. In Spark, just keep the command of Spark and run it. The same queries. Okay. But people nowadays are using PySpark. So I'll be teaching you PySpark in Azure Databricks. Any doubts, sir? Still. Next. Hello.
Yeah, please continue. Sir.
Okay, fine, right? Yeah. Second. Okay.
Hi Raj, I have a quick question.
Yeah.
So what
Yeah,
is the
fine.
course duration?
45 hours, sir.
45 hours. So every day 1 hour or it will be like a 1.5 hour per day?
1 hour, 1 hour to 1.5 hours, sir.
Okay.
Based on
Okay,
the topic.
okay, got it. Thank you.
The
Because we
timings, is
can't.
it the or
Hello. What?
time?
Hello.
Hello. What?
Timing, yeah, once our team will check with you all guys and they'll give a one-time slot. Okay, don't worry.
Okay.
So you give your preferences to them so that what is the common time for everyone, we'll be taking that. But everything will be in the morning only. Okay, no evening
Oh,
batches
okay.
for now. Okay.
Totally, how many days, sir? How many sessions?
45 hours, sir.
45 hours. Okay.
45 to 50, sir. So 45 will be taking, sir. Okay.
Including weekends, you will also cover on
No
weekends?
weekdays, only weekdays, not
Only
weekends.
weekends.
Yeah. Weekends, you people are comfortable, you can keep a class, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because everyone will have the weekend work, right? So we don't want to disturb you on your weekends, okay?
Okay. Currently, how's the job market for data engineering with the Spark tool, sir? Is it okay? Especially for freshers.
Freshers. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Freshers, I see like they are expecting experience, or minimum of 1 year.
Okay, sir.
But if you are trying, like when we are passed out, sir.
Actually, I had to complete my masters within a couple of months, sir.
Oh, okay. No, you then you can keep, right? You are from abroad, right? You can keep this as for 2 years or 3 years.
Okay. So if
You are
I
working
keep some
parallelly as for
experience,
some company.
how it will be, sir?
What?
If I have some experience, I mean, Is there any job opportunity in this domain?
Yeah. So many, sir. Just search in your portals, Indeed, Naukri, LinkedIn.
Okay, sir.
Just keep 3 years of experience. Just search, Google it, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Instead of me saying
So,
you research it and you found it, you will get more clarity than me.
yes, sir.
If I say it's like I say something.
Yes, sir.
That's why I ask people to Google by themselves for on these things.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
I have a question, Raj. Like how easy to change the domain? Because I have 15 years of experience in automotive domain completely. So now I am planning to switch to data engineering side.
Yeah, sir. You can switch it like you can keep it your automated like you worked in automobile industry as a data engineer, sir, earlier.
Okay, so
From
okay,
past
got
2
it.
years or 3 years.
Okay, got it. Yeah, thank you.
You can give the same thing, but the same project convert into data engineering.
Data engineering project side. Okay,
Yeah,
yeah.
because every data engineering is everywhere today in every field.
Okay. So that means like 2 to 3 years of past experience should be good, right?
Yeah, three
So
years is
instead
fine.
of
No
like
need.
changing
Azure
everything.
data engineering came into market, sir. In market, as people know, it's in 4 years. It's for now 4 years, sir. If you give more than 4 years, people will cut you in the
Yeah, got
interview. So
it.
don't keep more than that, okay?
Yeah, got it.
As an
Thank you.
official 4 years.
4 years, yeah.
So it was there from 2015,
Hmm.
but as officially 2017 is like the market when they started ADF V1.
Okay.
So from 2017 means 2019 ADF V2 came. So V2 is the most clicked version in the market for them. So
Okay.
if you keep it for more than 5 years, 6 years means people will first ask the same question. When
Yeah,
was
yeah.
ADF came?
Okay.
So if I'm saying everyone max keep it 4 years, okay?
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for the info.
So, sir, I have a question.
Yeah.
So when we suppose I'm a database admin. Okay.
Okay.
So where do I fit in data engineering? Is it useful? My previous
Yeah.
experience will be
DBS,
useful.
many DBS are switching, sir, today to data engineering.
Okay. So like
You can keep in like
have
you're
10
a
years.
DBA. You can keep in like you're a DBA plus data engineer, sir. Earlier you're a DBA. From past 3 years or some 2.5 years, you're working as data engineer.
So suppose my package is around 15 lakhs. So if I
Okay.
changed this, my career to data engineer by mentioning like 3 to 4 years, so it will be like the what will be the scale we can ask or can.
For data
Uh,
engineering, minimum 50% they are giving, sir. More than that, your
okay.
how you negotiate with your HR.
Yeah.
Based on the company, how you negotiate with your HR.
Okay.
Minimum 50% is now baseline, sir, for data engineering, as there are no people
Okay. Okay.
for now.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Any more questions? Hello.
Yeah, I have a question.
Yeah.
In the job market, the openings are most of the openings are for AWS now. So how can we survive by learning this Azure data engineering?
Who said, sir? Most are for AWS.
Yeah, I'm searching Naukri and Monster,
So you
all
keep
these jobs.
your keep your resume using data engineering, sir. Azure data engineering.
Okay,
Just keep your Azure tools and then search it, sir.
okay. I mean, I'm just search for generalizing like that. So when I see those job means data engineering like jobs, so they are mentioning like AWS is good for them. I mean,
So based on
they're
company, sir.
preferring like that AWS.
Based on company, sir. Now I guess like every company using Azure, sir. Other banks are also using Azure, sir. Nowadays, not AWS, because of pricing. AWS is more pricing than Azure.
Yeah,
Same security, same
yeah,
features, and everything same.
but the same pricing AWS offered in the earlier was very limited compared to Azure. So most of the people,
No,
uh,
so one thing, sir. If you go with AWS, everything is third party, sir. You need to install
yes.
because
Yeah,
it's a
just
cloud.
I'm
That's it. You
asking
need to
you
use
that
your everything.
how can. When
But Azure offers
coming with the competition with AWS, na, so how can the job market to the Azure? So I'm just asking like that only.
Azure will rise. Azure is already rising, sir. No, AWS, no one is asking. I guess people, I see many calls like in previous batches. No one said like people asking for AWS. Okay.
Yeah, and I also have another question.
Okay.
I have experience in sales, like sales manager.
Okay.
So how can I survive by learning this course? I mean, how can I transition my career to those AWS engineer or
Like you need to check, like you need to keep like which company you are keeping it in your market. Like what are the which company you are gonna go with into the market, sir. What is your company you're going to keep it? You can say like I switched to data engineering for some one company. As you
okay?
be obviously keeping your fake experience, right? So
Yeah.
I switched to this company and I worked as a data engineer. You need to say the same thing.
So for every fresher, they need to mention somewhat experience like 1 or 2 years. Is it's a mandatory
Yeah,
or
one
what?
or 2 years is mandatory. 1 or 2 years mandatory now for data engineering.
Oh, then putting
Okay, you don't need to have
mentioning the
hands-on.
fake
The people,
experience
clients
means
are no, no, no. You don't need hands-on. Clients are expecting like people should know minimum of 1 year. Okay,
yeah.
that's client
Yep.
expectation, not company's expectation. So people are
Yep.
only that's why preferring experienced. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. That's it.
that is job market, sir. That is reality. If you go with fresher, yeah, few companies will take you as a fresher. But if you want to go immediately into the market, keep at least 1 year, 1 year or 2 years. Okay, I suggest to keep only for 2 years. Okay,
Yeah. Got it. Thank you.
don't keep more than that because as I said, 4 years only. Okay, sir. Any question, sir? Hello, hello. Okay,
Yes, sir. Please continue.
okay, right. So, sir, from tomorrow we'll be starting about Azure Basics, sir. As I said, account creations and everything. Tomorrow, I guess we don't have Monday. I guess we have a class again. So I'll be giving the basics of Azure, sir. Okay. So people on Monday, no, by Monday, try to ready with your. I will be showing how to create an account. Try to ready with. If someone knows how to create an account, you can be ready with your account, sir. Okay. Azure accounts. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll be giving about your basics, sir. Like what is cloud computing. So minimum basics, sir. These things people are asking. What is an infrastructure? What is platform? Cloud deployments are what I'm showing on my slide. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So we go with this, sir, on Monday. So how to create the portal? Okay. These things will be going, sir. Once we go with Azure basics, sir, next we will slowly deep dive into our data engineering. Okay. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Fine.
Quick question, sir. So do
Yeah.
you have
Okay.
any sites for creating an Azure account? Like, so I have an experience like earlier I created one of the accounts, so they ideally require a credit card option to activate the account, right?
Yeah. So you need a different phone number. So I will be teaching on Monday, sir. Don't worry. Okay. How to create an account and everything. Okay.
Okay, sure.
I'll share you the steps. Okay. Don't worry. So next, sir, SSMS installation, sir, your SQL Server installation, sir. You need it, okay? If someone knows Oracle, they can install their Oracle, sir. Oracle installation. Hello?
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Okay, next, sir. Next, let me go. Let me, what you are thinking people gonna do? Let me give an, before winding up the session, sir. Or, sir, these are your sources, sir, on-prem. Either it can be your application, someone like your Flipkart, your Amazon, let's take in retail, or your bank, sir. Everything. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Okay,
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm audible, right? Okay.
Yeah, listening.
I'm audible, right? Okay, fine. So these you take your examples. These are either your Flipkart, your Amazon, or something, anything applications. Okay. As a data engineer, I'm giving a basic overview, sir. So once you dump this data into this, sir. Okay. These applications, sir, through your front end, sir. Either Flipkart, you do shopping. Either Amazon shopping, bank, your details, sir, your transaction. Am I correct?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
So any application you do some work as an end user, right? So all these companies collect your data, sir, right? Either it can be your transaction, it can be your what you call your profile or anything. Everything is a data in this world, right? So all these companies collect your data, sir. First thing, once this data is collected, they need, like, you only, like, taken bank user, sir. You're a bank user, am I correct? Everyone uses your bank account, right?
Yes.
Hello. So when you do a transaction or your account balance, sir. So you do a transaction or your account balance, like check your account, sir. Like you get your statements, right, madam? Every month.
Yes.
Your
Yes.
credit card statement, your
Yes.
things. So you will be seeing many fields. Am I correct? Like
Yes.
you
Yes.
and you have given your like on which date you done your transaction, or what product, who is the person, who is the merchant, everything. So you do your credit card transactions or your bank transactions, right? Just take a bank as an example, okay? You people know that, right? So you will be seeing on credit card statement date, some other information as well. Your card number, your account number, everything. What is your the other merchant's account number? I guess last 2 digits. So which account number, transaction ID, everything, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So as a data engineer, what you gonna do? You will be adding, like as I said, few additional fields, sir. Who is adding those additional fields, sir? Your date, on which date you done, when you giving your statement. Hello.
Yeah, listening. Yeah.
So no, sir. My question is like who is adding those date and everything, sir?
Bank. I mean,
Bank,
Data
like
engineer.
bank, not a, yeah, yes. So as a data engineer, sir, what are the data your company will provide your data, sir? Either it can be anything from different sources. So bank has many applications, right? Okay. Like if you, when you go into your profile phase, sir. So if you have some health insurance schemes, you may have health insurance. Am I correct?
Yeah.
With the same bank, you may have your some FDs, FD accounts. You may have your saving account. So when you open your bank profile, your data, complete data will be populating, right?
Yes, yes.
So who is going, like you are only giving your amount, you are just depositing or taking an FD, but other information, how much interest, everything. Who, sir? You are responsible, sir, as a data engineer to
Okay.
clean the data. You what is the data engineering, sir? Now you came a basic idea, right? As a data engineer, what you are
Yes.
doing? Data cleansing. First point.
Mm-hmm.
Data can, suppose you are a person, sir. You entered something. I don't need all the fields, right? I don't need your complete phone number, sir. I need only last 4 digits. Am I correct?
Yeah, yeah.
Data masking, data heading. Data engineer, as a data engineer, you need to do, sir. First point. Okay. Second
Data
point, sir.
cleansing, is it?
Data cleansing. Yeah, data cleansing. Data, that means cleaning of your data, sir.
Okay.
Removing unnecessary data, only keeping the necessary things.
Okay.
First question. First point, sir, as a data engineer. Second point, sir, transformation, sir. Shaping of your data, sir, into a meaningful format. Okay.
Okay.
So you don't require you don't know about any transaction ID or whatever happening in backend, right? You will get an ID, right? Am I correct?
Yes.
When you do a transaction, you like you are doing with your friend. Your friend requires the same transaction ID. You need the same transaction ID. But what happened in the market, how it is generated, you don't. You are least bothered about it, right? As an end user.
Yeah.
Am I correct? So as a
Yes,
data
yes.
engineer, first point, sir, data engineer, as a data engineer, data cleansing, data transformation. Okay. Finally, shaping of your data into meaningful, sir, meaningful data, which an
Okay.
end user can understand. This is one part, sir. Second part, sir, all the people doesn't know about transaction data or something. Few people are interested in your graphs, like your pictorial representation.
Mm.
Am I correct? Your dashboards.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So you don't know about something. What is this? Blah blah blah. What is this Excel? What is these things? You only need only your pictorial. Second
Okay.
point, sir. As a data engineer, collect your data, keep it in your relational. Finally, keep it in relational so that your Power BI users or Tableau users, they will take this data and design a new beautiful diagram. So for them,
Okay.
who are supplying the data, sir? You are supplying the data. For them to use the data, you are the person to give them the right data in the market. Okay. One reporter needs 3 to 4 data engineers to give them the data, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Second point, sir. Third point, data scientist, as I said, for market analysis. Who are the people, sir? You are the people, sir, to provide them the data. Okay.
Okay.
So, as I said, this data is collected. Once this data is collected, as I said, you will be doing a cleansing, cleansing. First cleaning. Next, you will be doing a transformation. Finally, dump into the target, sir, for their use. Okay.
Okay.
Once you got dumped, sir, here from here you will get some, as I said, your here from here your Power BI data scientist. These people come into picture, sir. You are responsible for these big bucks. You are responsible, sir. Whatever you need to do, whatever they need.
Mm.
Finally, the refined data they will be using, sir. Okay.
So what are the tools in the different stages we use? Can you mention?
Yeah, tools, sir. For data ingestion, sir, I will go with the ADF.
For data cleansing, first point is data cleansing, right? So
First
what we
data
use?
ingestion. First taking the data, not cleansing. You need to take the
Okay.
data,
Okay.
right?
Infusion. Yeah. 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 From
Then
different
that,
sources, we take it
yeah,
and
you need to take the data, right?
yes.
So ADF. Next for data cleansing, you go with ADF, and apart from that, you go with Databricks.
For infusion, what we use? ADF or
ADF only. Either you can infuse with ADF or different tools, sir. So basically, people are using ADF only for ingestion nowadays.
even
Okay.
from different technologies like different clouds. So suppose I want to take
Yeah,
some data
different.
from.
That is the thing. ADF was kicked in the market, sir. Cross compatibility. You can ingest from Oracle Cloud. You can ingest from AWS S3. You can ingest from SAP. Cross compatibility.
Okay.
So I will be discussing these things once we go into ADF. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, fine. Databricks, sir. ADF or Databricks, sir. Next. Here we do data cleansing, sir. Transformations. You can go, as I said, ADF. In ADF, we have data flows concept. Okay. Or in Databricks, you can do transformation in Databricks. Finally, again, once your data was cleansed, sir, and it was in a meaningful format. Finally, you need to dump this data. Again, use your ADF to dump it. Either you can go
Mhm.
directly connecting with Databricks itself, or some people are using ADF, sir. Many people are using ADF. Cost factors. Okay.
Okay.
The solution, your whatever the solution your as a admin you are using, it should be cost effective. Okay. Your client
Okay.
asks about your budget, right? So ADF.
Where
When
this
coming to ADF,
Spark comes into picture, Spark.
in this transformations and here, sir,
Oh,
transformations.
okay.
Then we
Okay.
go into Spark, sir. Finally, keep it in your data warehouse, sir. All the data. This is your data warehouse, sir. DW, SQL full. Okay.
Okay.
Any dots? Any dots, sir?
Yeah, I have a doubt, sir. I mean, how much Python we need for this data engineering? Like you said, basics of Python.
So how much means I can't say like your requirements, sir. I can't predict your requirements. But you need to
I mean,
definitely have basics.
I'm asking you like that whether we need to learn entire Python like a scripting language
No,
or
no.
it's enough for the intermediate level.
Intermediate level is fine, sir, for now.
Okay.
Okay. So
Yeah.
like you don't need any OOPS concepts or something. You are not building an application, sir, here.
Yes, yes. But knowing a language is beneficial for that, na? So that's why I'm asking you. No?
Yeah, knowing the language is beneficial. That's what I'm saying. You don't need to be good at like OOPS concept. If you know like how to write a prime number program or how to do like basics to hold in data, you need a variable, sir.
Yeah.
Am I correct? For that, you need to know about Python variables. Am I correct?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes.
To run a loop, sir. To run a loop, sir, you need some for loop or something, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. For that, you need
Okay.
Python looping, sir.
Okay.
So branching. So I don't like you need to learn like Python OOPS concepts and these things. You need basic things, sir. You don't be
Okay.
like like how to write your functions or small function. If you want to write in PySpark, you need some Python how to write a function syntax.
Okay.
So in that you don't be using any objects or OOPS like Java or .NET, sir. Here there is no
Okay.
OOPS kind of that here. So you need to know what are modules, what are packages, what are predefined functions. So if you know predefined functions in Python, if you learn, you are good at data engineering, sir. Because Python everything is a function.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like how you
Thank
write in your Java and .NET. So you want to develop the code, but Python is the most simplified language today.
Yeah, why I asked because for data engineering, need to know a language is very important for that. So I just
So
asking
that's
for
what I
like.
said. That's what I said. You don't be good at Python. Once you join your project and everything, you will be learning it.
Yeah.
So all the
Okay.
projects won't be writing your Python only. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
So that's what any questions, sir? Hello. Before we wind up, any questions, sir?
So can we also come to career IT institute for any doubts or to have some chit chat on this?
Yeah, you can go. You
Can,
can come, sir.
can we
Variety.
meet? You are also available there, sir?
I will be coming on weekends, but time I could not say.
Mm-hmm.
I could not say like
You
definitely I'll
were,
come this time.
sir, can I know about your career experience?
So I have a 10 plus in IT, working for 3 to 4 MNCs. I don't want to disclose the names.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
So you have been working from 10 years in this big data engineering.
Yeah, yeah. Working in data. I worked in now data engineering from past 4 years.
Yeah. So it is completed to Azure data engineering or
Yeah, I worked on Azure data engineering only. So I teach Azure only.
okay.
My projects are on Azure only. Whatever I did till now. Okay.
Sir, you're going to give some real-time experience as well on.
Whatever I say you practice, sir. Enough for 1.5 to 2 years, sir. If you practice it every day. Constant, sir.
No,
If you
sir.
don't practice, I can't do anything.
No, I was just looking for some real-time modules, not like ordinary data load activities. See, you
Yeah,
might
that's
get
what.
use
Yeah,
cases
that's
in
what.
your project, right?
What are the use cases I say here? You practice every day, those will be using in your project. Okay.
Okay.
That's what I said. My teaching will be lot like this everything from day one project training, sir. What are the things you do in project? What are the work if you join a project they will give? Those will be I will be teaching here.
Sure, sir. Sir, and
So I
about covering test case, I mean, so I will be going to get complete development experience, right? You do unit testing and then moving objects to one environment to other
yeah,
environment.
I
So
say the one environment to other environment. Unit testing means I won't say any testing here, sir. Like we will be doing your unit testing by the way, but I won't reach like explicitly this is testing or this thing. Okay.
so no, you're not going to explain the unit testing cases and all these things.
Those things, sir, not possible, sir, because billing constraint, sir. Manager, okay. So you can go with your, you can learn it. Like unit testing is like whatever we do, it's a testing. Whatever you develop, you can test it by yourself, right? Like no specifically like these are the things test cases you need to write, okay?
Correct, sir. So I don't have any experience, right? So I might keep as 1 year experience or 2 years experience. So definitely they will look for like development experience, right? Like how do we migrate objects from one environment to other environment? So such kind of questions will be definitely covering, right?
Yeah. In migration, I will show you, sir, how to migrate from one to other, okay?
Sure,
Your DevOps will get it. That's what I wrote your DevOps last,
sure.
okay?
Sir, are we getting the recording sessions available for us?
Yeah, we will get those recordings, sir. Check with Institute, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
One more question, sir. So as a data engineer having 3 or 4 years experience, um, after after this course, when we are start for a job opportunity on data engineer, mentioning like 3 or 4 years experience, where do we fit in the market? Like as a after joining any project, um, it will be like building a data environment like using all these tools. Already there is environment, so we are just supporting the environment. Um,
That's based on your project, sir.
as a
I would not guarantee you that.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking. As a 3 or 4 years
No, sir.
experience guy.
So that's what I'm saying, sir. So you keep 3 or 10 years or how many years? So if your project needs support, you need to do support, sir. That depends on organization. If they need to develop, you need to develop, sir. That I could
So
not
when we
guarantee you.
prepare resume, when we prepare resume, so it will be like so we can decide at the time of putting resume, right? With this
So you will be
experience.
keeping obviously development experience, sir. But when you get into your organization, sir, market will be like. If they want to deploy in support, they will be deploying in support.
Mhm.
If they want to deploy in development, they will be deploying. If they want to deploy in maintenance part, they will be deploying you. So I could not guarantee you like I done development. I will do only development means. It
Like
depends on
what
your
kind of
company.
role? Yeah,
Which
as a
company you
support
join.
engineer. Okay.
So based on them, sir. Okay, that I could not guarantee you. Once you are into the market, okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Any doubts, sir? Before we winding up the session.
I have a question, Raj.
Yeah.
So, will you explain even the, like project challenges, like real-time project challenges, like what kind of challenges arise in the projects?
Yeah. While discussing that, saying the topics, I will come into those things, sir.
Okay.
Errors like this. So I could not say like this is only the challenge we got in project, right?
Yeah, but there could be some, very frequent things might occur, right? So those at least, we may need to
No,
aware
that because
very commonly.
yeah, that's what I'm saying, sir. It may be challenge for you, it might not be. It might be challenge for you, it might not be for you. Okay.
Okay.
So it depends on your level of understanding, sir. Okay.
Okay, got it.
So I could not guarantee you like in this you will get this only in this project, right? It may get, it may not get. Okay.
Yeah,
So if
sure.
someone asks what are your challenges, you need to frame a good story, sir. That's it.
Hmm. Yeah, sure.
Okay. Because they doesn't know like you whether you faced or not, right?
Correct,
You need
correct,
to prepare a good story. That's what I said. It might not be what are you said, it might not be challenge for me.
correct.
Or else something you said is might be a big challenge for me.
Yeah,
So for those things you need to prepare. If you're going to the market, you need to write the stories from today.
yeah. Got it.
Because whatever you say, your interview, whatever you say, the same thing your interviewer will listen, right? He will
Correct,
checking your interview skills, but not why this challenge only he can't ask you, right?
correct. Hmm.
So that's the okay.
Okay.
So he will be. If I will also take interest for many people for my organizations. Okay.
Yeah,
I see the technical skills, but not challenges means it may be the as I said, may or may not happen. Why you have
Mm,
not faced this challenge, I could not guarantee you, right?
yeah.
At all, I faced everything. So that's what I'm saying.
Okay.
Yeah. Anything, sir, before we wind up?
Yeah, good from my side. Thank you.
Okay. Sir,
Sir,
anyone, any
thank you,
question
sir. Thanks
before
for
we
the
start?
session.
Yeah.
We have a good idea about.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah. Okay. Then we meet on Monday. So anything contents, I will ask them to reshare the content once again by today or tomorrow. Just go through it. Okay.
Okay.
Hello. By Monday, yeah, sir. They will be informing you, sir, like what is the time and everything. Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Fine,
sir.
sir.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
fine,
you.
sir. Okay. Check for timing. Check with the institute, sir, because I don't know what all your preferred timings, right? So once check it, they will have that, and they will inform you what is the final time. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Fine, sir. Okay. Bye.
Thank
Have a great day,
you.
sir. Have a happy weekend.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Have
you.
a nice
Have a
day.
nice
Yeah.
weekend.
Bye,
Thank you.
so far.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.